Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious moist loafy banana bread, and a lot of you asked me to film this video for you guys from my last vlog, so let's just go ahead and get started because it's so easy. So here we are with all the ingredients, guys. As you all can see, it doesn't require much. We have only just 8 ingredients, and of course the main item is banana, and for this we're going to be using 5 bananas. I'm going to leave the exact measurements in my description box because I told you guys that my uncle, he's a professional when it comes to banana bread, so he has this special measurement he uses for his banana bread. So of course I also have flour. I have 2 cups of flour here, so we have 5 bananas, 2 cups of flour, and then I have 1 cup of butter. As you all can see, you're supposed to use 2 eggs, and of course we're still gonna beat the egg, open it up and everything. And then I have, I think, half a cup of sugar. The sugar is not too much up, and it all depends on you. If you like kind of very sweet banana bread, or if you're on the sweet tooth, you probably end up using maybe 2 cups. Like, the sweetness of the banana bread all depends on you. And then I have salt just to tone down the sweetness, because with the banana and also sugar you need something to tone it down, and also baking soda, of course. I say baking soda, baking powder, guys, not baking soda. And then I have some walnut. It all depends on if you like your banana bread to be a little bit crunchy. You can use raisin, you can use walnut, it all depends. Okay, so we're gonna start off by cracking and beating 2 eggs. And of course, when it comes to beating the egg, you guys, some people use whisk, but I just prefer doing my banana bread manually, because to me, using all them whisks and all those things, it just prolongs everything. Like, it makes it seem hard, guys. But with this right here, all you need is your fork, and yeah, go ahead and beat your egg. And then I'm going to use a bowl and add the 5 bananas, the 5 peeled bananas, and then I'm going to use this potato masher. This right here, I think I bought it from either Walmart or Target for maybe $4.99. It's very inexpensive, guys, but this makes it so much easier to mash. Like, if you're mashing potato, if you're mashing banana, anything you want to mash, guys, this right here, it makes it so much easier. So I'm gonna go in with it and just mash the banana. And when you're mashing it, guys, you don't need it too liquefied. As you all can see, you just mash it. I think this probably took me maybe 2-3 minutes to get it this way. It doesn't require a lot, guys, no much energy needed. And then I'm going to bring the egg bowl and add the butter. This right here is an easy way to go ahead and kind of dissolve and melt out your butter, adding your butter inside the egg. This is exactly how my uncle does his banana bread. I enjoy his banana bread a lot. I just beat the egg and the butter to maybe an extent, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the sugar. The sugar would actually help a lot with melting the butter further. Like, I love the consistency the sugar gives it, because, like, you guys, once look, it kind of makes it look really drawy, and this is when it's all ready to go. And then in a separate bowl, I'm gonna add the bowl that has the flour, right? I'm gonna add the baking soda and the salt and just mix them all together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring the bowl that has the mashed banana, and I'm going to go in and add the butter, egg and sugar into the bowl of banana and just mix them all together, guys, like this right here. Oh my gosh, when you go ahead and put it into the oven, the whole house automatically starts smelling so freaking good. Like, there's just something about banana bread I can't explain. All right, so next I went ahead and added the walnuts, or if you prefer your raisin, you can add your raisin. And once you feel like it's all okay, you're gonna go ahead and put on your oven to 350. Don't forget this, like, you need your oven to be kind of a little hot before you go ahead and add your banana dough, your banana bread dough inside. So I went ahead over here and poured the flour, or the flour, whatever they call it, flour, you guys, you know what I'm talking about. I went ahead and added that into the mixture, and you just want to spend your time here to make sure you blend everything in. Before I forget, can you just take a moment and hit that like button, please guys? Just hit that like button if you're enjoying this recipe. All right, so next I'm going to bring my baking bowl, and then you want to go ahead and use your butter to kind of what is it called? I've forgotten the term used in baking, but you just want to, you know, kind of saturate the bowl with the butter, because you don't want to add your dough and then when you're done baking it's going to be difficult to take it out from the baking pan. So you want to go ahead and kind of marinate your bowl with the butter. And over here I'm going to go ahead and pour the dough, and yep guys, we're going to bake this on 350 for 1 hour, you know. But you know, while you're baking you always have to monitor it, and an easy way to know when your dough is ready is to go ahead and use your toothpick. Once the toothpick is clear, you know it's ready. And here we are guys, absolutely super easy, super simple. This right here, it normally takes me like an hour to bake, and then maybe I would say 20-30 minutes to mix everything all together, and that is it. You are able to get yourself a very nice, delicious, moist, fluffy banana bread. As you all can see, it's so moist, it's so fluffy. And yep guys, please don't forget to hit that like button below if you did enjoy, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.